It is time to start day 3 of my beach adventures with Chris in Gothenburg. And I'm starting off the day with exploring the beautiful island of Stora Amundö. And the first beach for today, Kungsviken Badplats. This wonderful beach here on the island, and it is actually along the hiking trail of the island that you can do, and it's obviously a nice island, and there is also a nudist beach on this island that I'm going to visit after this one later today. So yes, beautiful nature all around, a small sandy beach, but there are also rocks on both sides that you can enjoy out on the Kattegat Sea. Yes, so Gothenburg is part of the Kattegat Strait that connects the Baltic Sea with the North Sea and then onwards to the ocean. So that's why the water is so salty, and there are lots of amazing sea creatures. Yesterday on the boat tour that I went on to the archipelago, I saw a seal swimming in the sea along the boat, so it was amazing. Yes, 2nd of June, today, Sunday, 11 a.m. currently, and I have 9 hours left to explore Gothenburg before my train starts to depart for Stockholm at almost 9 p.m. So yeah, so let's make the most out of this day and see how many beach spots we can visit today. And the temperature currently it is 23 degrees Celsius, and in the water here I have measured it is 20 degrees Celsius, but I have measured in the shallow water here it might be a bit colder further in, because yesterday it was 17 in the sea. So let's then take a swim, the first one for today. I'm so eager about it, and yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Beautiful nature reserve here, and okay, here I'm stepping up on something slimy. That's from the seaweed that came to the shore, mixed with the sand, obviously. Isn't this amazing? I just love this kind of natural beaches that are a bit far from the city, that you can fully enjoy without being too much crowded. And it's a wonderful island. And so this is the Stora Amundö. There is also Lilla Amundö that I might visit later before I take the bus back to Gothenburg and the continuous exploration. Okay, so here we have a bit of shallow water, and I see wonderful rocks over there that will be actually also on the other side on the nudist beach that I'm going to show you later today. Cool, I'm so surprised and happy that I have had so much great weather on this beach adventures in Gothenburg. It rained only for a bit on day 1, and it looks like it's gonna rain some later this afternoon, but most of it was so warm and nice. It was perfect for beach adventures, so I'm really blessed that it turned out to be great weather, because Gothenburg it's usually known for its rain, because it usually rains all of the time. So I feel very blessed, and I hope you enjoy also my dance videos from different beaches here if you are watching my shorts. And yes, I'm soon gonna hit also 10k, or actually by the time this video is posted maybe I'm already at 10k subscribers. So I'm so overwhelmed by all the support that I get, especially for my shorts. But I will definitely continue to post more videos in the long format for my beach adventures, because you can do both things in parallel, right? You can also dance on the beach and then also show you this magnificent beauty in a long video, because the channel is called Beach Adventures with Chris ESC. ESC is for Eurovision Song Contest, where I mainly post dance videos from Eurovision or Eurovision artists as such. Okay, here it is very natural. It is, everything is in seaweed, which is fine. Then I will just try to take a swim and enjoy this first beach adventure from Kungsviken Badplats in Stora Amundö. Let's go! Look at that natural beauty. Brilliant. Alright, then that's a wrap from this wonderful natural beach on this island, Stora Amundö in Gothenburg, west coast of Sweden. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!